All right. So till now, whatever we have covered, let's say I would say maybe around 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Right. So how was the whole experience? Did you got whatever you have expected? It is okay. It was very good. How was that?
Yes, it
So
is
I
very
can't
good.
hear you.
Excellent.
Noise.
Some noise is
Outstanding.
coming.
Yeah,
Background
there
noise.
is some
someone,
disturbance.
I think, so happy class ended, right? So they are start playing music.
Hmm.
Okay. So don't be so happy. You have to start giving interview. Okay. So who will like to go ahead first? Okay. Yes, Kavita.
Sorry, I had one this thing actually. But yeah, I attended only from 25th September, but I would say that this was a really good session. I had postponed a lot because I had taken some certification courses from a different institute. I would not want to name the institute, but yeah, it was not very effective. They had promised a lot of things and they said there will be mock interviews, workshops, and all the things, but nothing was done. Absolutely zero. Just the certification 2 days training is what I have got from that institute. But when it comes to Jitendra, I was in touch with him from last 3 4 months. But because I had committed some money there and I was expecting things will be done there, I could not again take up the risk of enrolling for a different institute or different person. So I was talking to him on and off, but I never enrolled. But finally, I took the leap and I enrolled, and I'm really glad I did it. Like no, there is no regret, and it was the first thing I should have done. But yeah, better late than never is what they say, right? So I'm really happy to enroll, and it was really worth much more than what we have really invested the time and the effort. And I am sure now I'm really confident that I will be able to crack the interviews also. Yeah. Thank you, Jitendra.
All right. Welcome. Yes, Praveen.
Yeah, basically, I mean, before joining your class, I have attended multiple demo classes. And the demo classes you have given, I am really satisfied the day I have attended your demo classes. In fact, I met you personally. I mean, I interacted with you personally in Pune. And after that, as I told you, I have gathered another two of my friends, and most of us are very much satisfied. I could say none of the trainer could give this much of clarity in terms of I mean the Scrum Master training. That is what I would like to say, Ajit.
All right. So for me, the reward is not the words what I'm getting. Reward is the result what I get. Okay. So
I
it's
would like. Can I ask one query? I mean,
yes. Go on.
yeah. Basically, I have uploaded my CV since past 1 week, but I didn't get any call. Is there any way we have to do, or could you
Yes,
guide?
we'll talk about that mostly tomorrow. So we'll have a
Okay.
now sessions on that part.
Yeah.
That is what
Thank
the
you.
next step.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
All right. Yes, teacher, go on.
My name is so much, sir. Please take it. I just forgot to change the name.
Yes.
It was very worthwhile. I would say that I'm thankful to you because I did my certification on my own by reading all the stuff, but I did not have much clarity on it. The way you presented the slides and the thing and the pictorial representation, everything, vision. If you see something, visualize, then it will give more clarity in your thought and whatever you are learning. So in that point of view, definitely yes, I'm elated with the training which you have provided. However, the other part is the real journey, as you said, that it's going to start now. It's been started, but the thing is more on. I need to work on the interview part, like how to face to the people, specifically in terms of the experience, because I did not have the tech experience where I can see that I have done this project. So you have also have given the assignment, but I unfortunately I could not complete because I depended on some other factors that I somehow I would have got some details so that I can add it on my resume, but
Mhm.
I could not, I failed to do so. But I need your assistance in that. So if you can let me know some other time so that I can sit with you and, share the things in detail and you can help me in that, how I can frame it.
Okay. So tomorrow after
Uh,
certainly we can connect on it after 12 afternoon.
In the evening, is it possible? Because
Evening, yes.
I have a
After
school.
12, not before 12. After 12, I will be available.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
And in short, like it's wonderful training I've got from you, sir. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you for your kind words. And okay. So meanwhile, so let me do one thing. 1 second. So here we go. Okay. So yes, what you have to do meanwhile, so we'll be just having this much more 10 minutes. Let me come back to everyone. So I have this Google page. I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So I would say you can add your some good comments with 5-star review as well. But again, don't add just 5-star, add some comment. It will help others as well to, again, for me to spread the word so that people are aware about what is going on here. Okay. So yes, you can start, keep doing it. I hope you got the
So
link.
500 each rating, 500 rupees each rating.
Much more than that you're going to get. Nothing to worry. Okay. Yes. Next is Vani. Go ahead.
Yeah, Jitendra, it was a very much interesting class actually. So you are a good trainer also, because the thing is the people, some, not everyone, some people, the thing is they will give the training, but not in effective manner, not like that. The content wise you are clarifying, as well as you are take out the scenarios and explaining the scenarios, as well as the you have so much of patience. First of all, I am very much impressed that one, because every class you will get mostly 15 to 20 questions, but you are not take it why these people are giving asking so many questions, but you are explaining so many times. Also, if you are not understanding, also you are giving so much. And also one more important thing, every day you are boosting the candidates, upload the resume. That is one more very very important, because our aim is to getting the job. So every day you are keep on pointing that one. It is also very helpful to the students. And amazing things you have explained actually, because everyone who has a background, like if they have any, they don't have any confidence, you are always telling you don't go down, you always to be top. So you always boosting the students, you should be take it as negative, you should be in a positive environment. So that is also very important, especially some people who are disappointed here, because some people are thinking, I am not having that much of knowledge, I am not having good communication, I don't have any background, IT background. But you are telling that is not required, but the only thing is you should be put your efforts. So that is very very important. Even if you have a background, if you have a communication, but the main thing is you have to put efforts, because no one is intelligent, no one is before already experienced. So everyone is coming from learning only. So that is also one more important. I understand from your points. You are giving the assessments, as well as you are creating the breakout rooms is very very helpful to the students actually, because if we miss any point in between, or else if you want to clarify some points, so that time it will be helpful sharing the things. So if we miss any point, we will note down. So like that you are giving the class. Yeah, as well as Jira class is very very attractive actually. That is, I was very much
All
impressed.
right. Thank you. Thank you. Glad to hear that it's worth your, that time and you're able to get whatever you wanted. Thank you. All right. Next, Kamya.
Yeah. So I did my Scrum Master certification last year, 2022. And then since then, I was working and I was simultaneously preparing myself for Scrum Master. And for that, I was doing reading on my own, or going through the YouTube channels and randomly listening to the interviews. And somewhere in the Scrum Master, basically certification, you never hear the terms like velocity, capacity planning. It is very basic. Nothing is there. And when you go on the real ground and listen to the people, the terms that they use, it's like a good morning every time you head to them. And then when you listen to them and connecting those dots. So when is what happening? What is happening here and there? So I was aware about everything, but I was not able to, make it a flow, how things are going and how it is proceeding. And basically the way you have dealt with whole course, and from the basics to the integrities of it, it was really commendable, and it has given me a really good insight actually, and it has boosted my confidence actually so that I can now I'm planning for the next level. But yeah, it has seriously giving me a very, I was applying for jobs already as Scrum Master, but I was never confident that I'll be able to crack the interview because of the exposure that you gave to us in this training. So it was really good. Yeah. Thank you for that. Jitendra, you are on mute.
Okay, all right. So thank you, Kamya. So I think again you also something thinking from long 2 3 months. Okay, I have to do took some time, but yes, now I would say your journey started, and as you are in the momentum, it's for everyone. So now you have done with the class. You have an energy, you have a momentum. If you channelize it, you will get the result faster. If you think, let me take a break of 1 month, again it will go in vain. Okay, so utilize it and give your 200%. And the best part is it's not going to take 6 months or 1 year, just matter of 1 month or 2 months, and you will be in. Whatever you're expecting, you will get much more than that, just a matter of months or 2 months. Okay, thank you. Yes, Devasis.
Yeah, the same what Kavya said the same thing here. I did my CSM long back.
Mhm.
I believe 5 years. It was when I attempted and I got cleared, but I didn't had any. I didn't had clarity, to be very precise. I didn't know what is velocity, what is capacity. Even the I didn't have the entire clarity of the agile. Though we had worked, but as we know, company to company it varies. But however, when we I attended your class, I got what exactly things are, and more thing is I got confident. I'm confident that what I know, I can explain it to the people. I can explain it to the interviewer, and I can explain others also what I know. So that's what the good about it. Jira again, to be very precise, I have attended sessions before. Nobody had gone so deep for the concepts as well as in Jira. Nobody shows to do the entire Jira. They don't show. So I'm thankful to you. Now it's my turn so that I can get the opportunity and I can prove myself up. Yeah, thanks for that.
Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Certainly
Yeah.
you. Okay. Yes, Arun.
Yeah. So first of all, thank you to Spindra sir, because on day one I am zero knowledge about this Scrum and everything. Because I think everybody do the exams and everything. But on day one I didn't know anything about Scrum. But on today I have the good knowledge about in this Scrum and everything. So it's a great thing, sir, because I are all the experienced person, but I didn't know about that. But now I have the certain knowledge about it. And also on that breakout room, I think more interacted in the breakout room because a lot of questions we have. So we will discuss about it, good thing. So we get the good knowledge about it. And I think we are ready. We are do the warm up and we are ready to go to the race. So I hope we will win. So that's the thing I will
Not
give.
hope. Certainly you are going to get it. Nothing to worry on it.
Yeah, definitely, sir. And also, I have one query here. So in WhatsApp group, if anybody attend that interview means they will share the questions means it will help to us because
Okay.
they're
So, yeah.
so
So I will publish a, okay. I will take one session tomorrow, mostly tomorrow or
okay,
Saturday, and I will guide on that part. So you'll be having,
okay,
you all already have the access of the LMS. In that,
hmm,
there are, I would say, around 30 40 different interviews what students has given. Those
okay.
questions are there. So no new, but again, you will be keep on getting the update.
Yeah, thank you, sir, and thank you everyone. because I interacted more thing in the breakout room. So thank you for it, and thank you for Deva actually, because many time we are in the same breakout room.
Yeah.
Glad to hear. Thank you. Yes, Ali.
Yes, Jitendra, this is the first time I got this type of training experience. And I think I joined when I looking for a job change. That is why I came to this Scrum Master job like that. Because today I have a 15 plus years of IT experiences. But that your demo class, it will be very good for me. Then the first time I joined in that demo class, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm the first person joined in from that demo class on August 21, 22, something like that. Sir, for about your class, it was very good. I will give a reward for your patience because of your patience is very high. For every questions, you are again delay. So not completing within 1 hour. It is completed 1 hour like that. It is going on, and also for me, you are a reminder to me. For your teaching is as a reminder. For every day you are discussing about last day what you have learned, any doubts, and also is for me this is self-evaluation techniques because of our what we learned from this class it will be evaluating through the breakout room, right? Today onwards we are missing all of these things. So and also every day and also in the interview perspective about the what is the aim of this training. Every time you are reminding about this, then our part only we have to do. That is
Certainly.
and that we have to take it and totally I enjoyed well and I will be looking for the certification and also looking for the one you offered some that is DevOps training, right?
Will happen. So
Okay.
yeah, so maybe
That's,
not in this month, next month, mostly it will happen.
and also looking for the certification guidance from your side.
So yeah, so I will
And
take my
also
list tomorrow and we'll talk on it. So
I hope everybody will get this master's job very soon. And also very
certainly
thankful to you because of
yeah,
really outstanding very points, learning objectives. If we students are getting student outcomes very soon, that is the from each classes.
right.
Okay, thank you for all. Thank you for your because of I think I'm only the person from Kerala. This group.
Yeah, in
Anybody
this
there?
yes, but in
Ali, I am from, excuse me, Ali, I am from Kerala. You are not only the one
Gopika,
person.
I
Yeah.
I didn't get you through the breakout room also.
No, once we were together in a breakout room. Once.
Yeah, okay.
she's a guest attendee. She keeps on, I would say, maybe jumping on here and there, right, Gopika?
Yeah, actually, I work on CET, so I hardly get time actually. That is the biggest, no, saddest part, I should say.
No worries. Yes, thank you, Ali. Yes, Vishwa.
Thank you.
So a big thanks, Jitendra. Definitely, it's a wonderful session, and so the best thing is that your clear explanation and the breakout rooms. And definitely, it's a magical sessions because we all involved together and shared our knowledge. So it's a like it's a fun and joy really, and the sharing as well. And your explanation is very, very good actually, in a simple and clearer way. And your patience is very awesome. And definitely, all of looks like a winning horses. Definitely, we will do our best. Okay, and all the best to everyone. And next was, yeah, as said, we'll start our journey, and you need your guidance and thinking to take our CSM exam. So an interview part as well. So that's what we wanted from you. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Certainly. Again, I would say that my commitment with everyone, it's not just till today. It's like till the time you are not getting the job, I'm there. So
Sure.
nothing
Thank you
to
so
on
much.
it. So I just said my commitment, the same thing I make statement in my webinar as well, that it's not just for the knowledge. People
Yeah.
come over here to get the result. And I'm there till the time you're not getting the result. Okay.
Thank you so much.
The best. Yes, Sanjay.
Yes, sir. Today I realized that I have taken one of the best decisions regarding my career. I still remember that on 6th of September, actually, Praveen met you in Pune, and then he talked to me and he told me about all the discussions. So from that discussions, actually, here in Bangalore, I had decided to join some institute, like the Star Agile Institute is there. So I had decided to take the classes from there, the 2 days training. But I was having some doubt that I don't know what will happen in that 2 days, whether I would be able to grasp the things, because anything in 2 days we can't expect much. And I was not aware that this kind of classes also go for a Scrum Master, like 1 month class. So when I heard that you will be teaching us for 1 month, so I felt that this is the right choice, and we should join here. And today I am really fully satisfied after having your class. And the materials on LMS portal, I have gone through a lot of materials, and it is so helpful. So I think that certainly we will be it's just a matter of getting the calls. As Praveen told that we are not getting the calls. The same situation is with me. Although on last Friday I uploaded my resume, but calls are I have not received. But I'm sure that once calls starts coming, we will be able to crack the interviews. We are putting 100% from our side, that I can tell you. So thanks a lot. Thanks so much, Jitendra, for whatever, everything you provided to us.
Thank you.
It was
Thank
a
you.
great like session.
Glad to hear. And after seeing, listening all your feedbacks with everyone, I'm just thinking to increase my fee by double. Right. So I will still get the students. Right.
Sure, you will.
All right. Just joking. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Gopika.
Actually, I don't know what to say. It was an amazing journey. I really felt very bad, when I miss at least, 10 minutes. If I miss also, I felt very bad. In fact, you remember I jumped from another class to this. I mean, I tried to join this class and I tried to attend at least, as much as classes I could. It was really hard for me. Like, I sometimes I work till 11 p.m. So you know about it. I have informed you earlier, but still, the concepts are, pretty much clear, and the way you present the topics, the language which you use, it's really, I appreciate that. Actually, it's really good. And you pull people, or you push people to make it, make it, to bring good result, or make it happen. That way you are a very good motivator, actually, I should say. It was really an amazing journey. Actually, it was hoping, waiting for your DevOps and the Jira things to come up. And I mean, I'm glad to attend that. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, with Gopika. Yes, Viduta, go ahead.
Yeah, first of all, thank you a lot, Jitendra, for this wonderful session. And like others, my friends, they have mentioned like your first, which you have given the first session, the one. So it was really good, and that the 3 days, those sessions were so attractive that. Yeah, without a second thought, I had enrolled in it, and I faced initially the trouble. I was unable to make the payment, but that didn't stop me. I reached out to you via mail, and then once you gave me the link and everything, and then again I made the payment. So, and I think, and now today I am really happy that I have enrolled and I have learned a lot from you. And now it's time to apply it on the jobs searching and everything. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Jitendra, for the sessions.
Thank you. Glad that whatever effort you put initially, you are getting that value. That's what is certainly good to hear. Thank you. Okay. Yes, Santhony.
Yes, Jitendra, thank you so much for this wonderful session. I was actually stuck between should I like go for PMP or Scrum. I was not very sure. I was searching, and I still am actually searching for a new job because I'm currently unemployed. Uh, and I did not know what to do. I was applying for Naukri. I went for the paid services as well for Naukri. I did get calls, but nothing went well. I don't know why, because of the market, I heard. So but anyways, then I was not sure what to do. Why am I not getting any offer and all that? Because I was assuming the interviews were going well, as per my understanding, but still nothing was happening, like no updates from the HR and all that. So and then all of a sudden somebody said that one of my ex teammates says you should try for Scrum. And I was also like, thinking, yeah, maybe when I was looking for the Naukri profile, a lot of companies were asking for Scrum Master, experience in Scrum Master. So when my friend suggested, then I thought like, okay, let me search for it. So I started searching in Google, like I was searching for the certification actually. And then fortunately, while scrolling Facebook, I saw your ad, and for the free 3-day online course. And I say, okay, let me join and see how this is, because anyways, I want to go for it. uh, Fortunately, thankfully, I enrolled, I joined, I completely enjoyed those 3 days session, because of the way you were delivering the sessions, like in such a simple language. That was the, I mean, what to say, that was the thing that actually prompted me that I should go for the 1 month session, because I know I will get a lot of, input, I could make use of. So I enrolled. I wanted to go for the August batch, but then I had some plans already to go out of station. So I enrolled for the September sessions. Then also there were some confusions with the timing of the this thing, because I actually wanted to go for the 10 p.m. But then, so anyways, those confusions were also cleared up. And I'm so glad that I enrolled for your sessions. I learned so much. uh, Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really loved it. You're on mute, Jitendra.
All right, so thank you very much for your kind words, and glad that again I was able to fulfill whatever you have wished. So that is what I
Yes.
look for. Thank you very much.
Yeah, now hopefully we'll get, everybody will get jobs. And I wish everybody in this batch of all the best. That's it.
Thank you. Yes. So meanwhile, so I have shared everyone that link. So just do that, add your review with 5 stars with some comment and type done in the chat box if it's done. And last, Sovic, go ahead. And yes,
Yes, sir.
turn on your camera, man.
Okay. Okay. So the first day when I joined and the introduction happened, I saw everyone 15 years experience, 17 years experience, 10 years experience, and that too, people like Praveen, Arun. I think they are all from developers and developer backgrounds. So I was like, shocked and surprised, like how will I be able to cope with, this people, this knowledgeable people, so much experience. Then as and when the class went by, I was able to understand the concept. Whenever I had questions, you were answering it. And I know I asked a lot of questions, and you were patient enough to answer all of them. So today, at this point, standing right now, I can confidently say that I've understood all the concepts that you have, shared with us. And yes, I'm confident I can go ahead and give an interview tomorrow, and at least not even 100, if not 100%, I can at least perform 70% well in the interviews from tomorrow onwards. So I'm that much confident. and the credit absolutely goes to you and also all the team members as well. In the breakout room, whenever we had doubts, everyone used to pitch in and give their ideas, give their inputs on, how to resolve the situation or what should be the answer for this question. So thanks to all of you and especially Jitendra.
So, Vic, you have a award for you are the most asked doubtful person.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so
Right.
yeah, so see, thing is, again, if someone is asking the question, I am somehow sure that certainly this question is someone else in mind. Sometimes people feel that okay, should I ask or not? So I always encourage to ask as much question you can, and anyway, I'm here to answer because once you get your doubt cleared, you will be much more confident. Okay. So, all right.
Thank you
So,
so much.
glad to hear all your kind words. I'm happy that I was able to fulfill whatever you wanted. And I just said, your real journey start from today. So, again, focus should be that in next 1 month, you have to give as much interview you can. That should be your first target. Now, okay, just a second.